So quickly, we are going to go on a live demo section, which I will just use two of these tools, Consensus and Notebook LM. However, you're free to explore this other tools. So quickly, let's look at Notebook LM. So Notebook LM looks like this. So let me sign out. So in order for you to use Consensus AI, you will have to sign in. So if you have an email or a Gmail or a Yahoo Mail, you sign in. So once you sign up, sorry, once you sign up, you can now start using it. But if you want to use the pro version, you would have to pay, and then you could be able to use the pro version. So now, quickly, I'm looking at, I'm currently looking at acute myocardial infarction, which is known as heart attack, and I'm looking at how AI or explainable machine learning could help me to get insights from this particular disease that is known worldwide. So I need some literature in order for me to get, for me, I'm a data scientist, I have a background in medicine, so I need to know what is out there and what's missing before I begin to dive into make visuals and test hypothesis and all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to pull for me top research, top literature, research papers in acute myocardial infarction and explainable machine learning. So you can see the searching is performing the searching and it's very quickly. So it has completed the search. It has returned 10 papers for me, and out of these 10 papers, I could see the first one, explainable prediction of acute myocardial infarction using machine learning at Shapley value. Use of machine learning models to predict death after acute myocardial infarction. Prediction of acute myocardial infarction from patient futures with machine learning, etc. So I could further carry out some filtering. For example, I want papers from 2024 because we're just in 2025. So yeah, so now it's going to return for me papers from 2024. I think it filters out only one. So the top paper in 2024 was a machine learning model for predicting in-hospital mortality in Chinese patients with ST segment evaluation, elevation, myocardial infarction findings from Chinese work. So, I could look at all these papers and then I could see where to start. So you could also load as much of the papers you want, but it's usually going to return the top 10, and then you could from there synthesize it, and then you know where you are and what is still missing, and then what you need to. Then if you also want the full paper, you could as well click on it, and you could open the full paper and you could read and all that. So quickly, I'm now going to move to Notebook LM. Notebook LM going to look like this. You need to also sign up, but if you have Google account, I think it's quite easy for you to try. So let's click on try Notebook LM. So now, great. So in the case of Notebook LM, you will need to give it the source that you need it to work on for you. So let's say I still on acute myocardial infarction, so I'm working on. I'll give it some source and ask it to work on them for me. So let me see. I give it the source and let's say this source and yeah, we could probably work with this one. Just a demo. Okay, so now wait for it to load. So now all the sources of load. What I needed to do is just to unlike you to read through all the uploaded sources and give me the summarized in form of let's say introduction, methods, findings, and conclusion. Great. So now I'm going to return a detailed summary